Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you this new kit that I bought from mylee. It's the mylee massive kit and I got it direct from their website. I'll leave all links down below. So it gives you enough products for the prep, the base and cure. It gives you something to strengthen your nails, to color, create and cure, and then the top coat to cure and finish. mylee is HEMA free and TPO free and it's safe to use. This is a sneak peek of what comes into the kit, and you can choose your colors depending on whether it's summer, spring, autumn or winter. So I just selected a random one, to be honest. I didn't specifically go for any color. Yeah, HEMA free, vegan and cruelty free. So let's see what's in the kit. I already used the lamp. The lamp is very good. It's a LED lamp and it has the setting of 90, 60, 30 or 15 seconds. And it's one of those lamps that you just put your hand in, you don't have to press the button on top. So that's really handy when you're doing your own nails. And then when it gives you these, just in case you're not in the UK. We've got some extra things as well. The angled brush for cleanup. So you can clean up around the edges. Don't cure with polish on your skin. That's not a good look and it can cause allergies. You've got a fine brush as well. I think this is for art. What do we have? We have the 2-in-1 nail prep, the gel remover when it's time to remove it, the nail oil. At the end, it's always good to put some oil on your cuticles up to 3 times a week. And then we have this cuticle remover, so this is be a part of your prep. Then we've got some different colors and a palette, so you can just play around with those. We've got the base coat, top coat, and I think a builder gel. Yeah, 5-in-1 builder gel, and it's clear, so that's great for those who want to strengthen their nails and have a tiny bit of enhancement for strength and longevity. What else do we have in this kit? So we've got this booklet that teaches you how to use their products. A dotting tool, a 180 grit times 3, 100 grit file times 1, and a 180 buffing buffer times 1. And then we do have this soak off kit. So when it's time to take it off, you've got the things inside to soak it off. So I think this is pretty cool. Let me check the price, because this is, yeah, got 10 of these things that can go around each finger. Just put some acetone on the cotton wool and put it on your finger like that, and it soaks it off within 20 minutes. So I also wanted to add that the mylee massive kit also comes with these. You really do have to search the box, otherwise you may end up throwing some things away by accident. So really open up the box and pull things apart. And then I ordered this on the 15th of October and it came within less than 2 weeks. And how much was it? It doesn't say, but I'll leave that information down below.